Ready to make your home feel smarter, easier, and a whole lot cooler. These mind-blowing smart home gadgets handle everyday tasks, add convenience, and bring a little futuristic magic to your space. From clever automation to surprisingly useful tech, these are the kinds of upgrades you didn't know you needed. All the gadgets featured are linked in the description below. Cleaning your floors might soon be the easiest task in the house. This AI-powered robot vacuum and mop handles dirt while you relax. It packs powerful suction that pulls dust, crumbs, and pet hair from hard floors and carpets with ease. Smart navigation helps it dodge furniture, cables, and other obstacles without getting stuck. It even washes and dries its own mop automatically, so your floors stay clean without you lifting a finger. Your living room table just got a serious upgrade. This smart coffee table hides a built-in fridge, so your drinks and snacks stay perfectly chilled right beside you. Bluetooth speakers play your favorite music, while LED lights add a fun atmosphere for movie nights or small gatherings. The top even supports wireless charging, plus USB and Type-C ports for your devices. It's a table, mini fridge, speaker system, and charging hub all in one sleek setup. Long day on your feet? This Shiatsu Massager brings the comfort of a spa right to your home. Slide your feet inside and rotating massage nodes start kneading tired muscles to help ease tension and soreness. A gentle heating feature warms your feet for an extra relaxing touch. Unzip the top and it even transforms into a back or body massager. Simple controls and auto shutoff make it easy and safe to enjoy anytime. Your faucet just got a serious upgrade. This pull-out basin faucet doesn't just deliver water, it gives you total control over how you use it. Switch between a smooth stream, gentle rainfall spray, or a powerful rinse that blasts away stubborn debris. A built-in digital display shows the exact water temperature, powered by the water flow itself, so no batteries are needed. The 360-degree swivel and pull-out head lets you direct water anywhere you need for effortless washing. Tired of paper towel rolls cluttering your counter? This magnetic holder snaps right onto metal surfaces like your fridge, microwave, or washing machine. The strong magnet keeps it firmly in place without drilling holes or using sticky adhesives. Just slide on a roll and you're ready to grab a sheet whenever you need it. Its sturdy metal design holds tight while saving valuable space in your kitchen or bathroom. Your bed might look clean, but dust can hide deep inside. This cordless mattress vacuum is designed to pull out the particles you can't see. Strong suction lifts dust, lint, and debris from mattresses, sofas, and cushions with ease. A built-in UVC light helps target hidden germs, while the HEPA filter traps fine particles so they don't escape back into the air. Lightweight and cordless, it makes deep cleaning quick and effortless. After a long day, your head deserves a little relaxation too. This electric scalp massager recreates the feeling of gentle fingertip kneading right on your scalp. 4 rotating heads with soft silicone tips glide smoothly to help ease tension and boost circulation. You can choose from 3 speeds to match your comfort level. It's waterproof and cordless, so you can even enjoy a soothing massage while relaxing in the shower. Tired of boring water? This sparkling water maker turns plain water into fizzy refreshment in seconds. You control the bubbles from gentle fizz to bold sparkle for drinks just the way you like. Its sleek matte design fits perfectly on any countertop, adding style to your kitchen. Lightweight but sturdy, it's built for everyday use. Comes with a reusable 1-liter bottle, so you're ready to start sparkling right away. spice up your kitchen and keep everything within reach. This rotating spice rack holds 18 glass jars on a clever Ferris wheel style design. Spin it a full 360 degrees and grab the seasoning you need in seconds. Its sturdy base keeps it steady, while grease-resistant materials make cleanup a breeze. Compact and stylish, it turns countertop clutter into a neat, organized display you'll actually enjoy using. Keep your indoor air fresh and clean with this high-efficiency duct fan. It quickly moves air in or out, making it perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, grow tents, or any enclosed space. The quiet motor runs at less than 40 decibels, so you won't even notice it while it works. Lightweight and durable, it's easy to install on standard ducts. Whether bringing in fresh air or exhausting stale air, it keeps your space comfortable and well ventilated. The manicure of your dreams is now in your hands. This smart nail printer turns any photo or design into perfect nail art in just 30 seconds. Works on natural nails, acrylics, or tips, your creativity sets the limit. With a high resolution of 2,400 dpi, the designs stay crisp and last over 20 days. It's super lightweight and portable, powered by a power bank or charger, so you can bring your nail studio anywhere. Turn your food scraps into something amazing. This smart compost system transforms almost all organic waste into nutrient-rich plant food in hours. The result, called loamy earth, is perfect for gardens, plants, or potted herbs. It's compact, easy to use, and works quietly in your kitchen. You're not just reducing waste, you're creating fertilizer that helps your plants thrive. Meet the coffee table that does way more than just hold your drinks. This 3-in-1 lift-top table easily rises to become a dining, work, or laptop desk. Under the top, hidden storage keeps remotes, magazines, or laptops out of sight but within reach. 4 foldable stools tuck neatly underneath, ready for extra seating whenever you need it. With lockable wheels, you can move it smoothly around your space and keep it exactly where you want. Dirt and dust don't stand a chance with this handheld vacuum. It's a 2-in-1 device that sucks up crumbs, pet hair, and dust, or blows debris out of hard-to-reach spots. A built-in LED light helps you clean dark corners, keyboards, or under seats with ease. Lightweight and cordless, it's comfortable to hold and easy to carry anywhere. Multiple nozzles and a washable filter make cleaning fast, thorough, and hassle-free. Brighten up every corner without any wiring. These wireless puck lights turn on with a touch or remote control, giving you full flexibility. Adjust the brightness in 10 levels or set a timer so lights turn off automatically. Battery operated and portable, they fit anywhere, from cabinets and closets to bookshelves and hallways. Soft, warm LED light makes every space feel cozy while keeping it easy to control. Measure angles like a pro without guessing. This digital angle finder doubles as a level and laser guide, showing exact numbers on a bright backlit display. Strong magnets stick it securely to surfaces, so it won't slip while you work. It remembers measurements, flips the display upside down, and gives super precise results every time. Compact, rechargeable, and portable, it's perfect for woodworking, home projects, or any DIY task. Keep your phone right where you need it while you work. This magnetic phone holder attaches securely to the side of your laptop or monitor, creating a mini dual-screen setup. The adjustable arm lets you see notifications, take calls, or check messages without reaching for your phone. Slim, foldable, and lightweight, it's easy to move or pack for travel. Compatible with MagSafe and many other phones, it makes multitasking effortless. Light up your workspace in style. This anti-gravity LED desk lamp has touch controls with 3 brightness settings for reading, working, or relaxing. It also charges your devices wirelessly while powering a USB port for extra convenience. Sleek and modern, it fits perfectly on any desk or bedside table. Compact and easy to move, it keeps your space bright and clutter-free. Dumping construction debris just got a lot safer. This heavy-duty trash chute guides waste from upper floors straight into bins, cutting trips up and down stairs. Adjustable straps and a steel ring opening keep it secure, so debris goes where it should. Made from tear-resistant material, it handles heavy loads without ripping. Quick to install and available in multiple lengths, it's perfect for renovation, construction, or farm projects. Keep your cables neat without the hassle. This mini magnetic cable organizer snaps 2 cords together, protecting them from tangles and damage. One-button retraction winds cables smoothly so you can grab what you need in seconds. Made from plant-based plastic, it's compact, portable, and eco-friendly. Perfect for desks, bags, or travel, it keeps your charging routine simple and stress-free. Make breakfast a breeze with this all-in-one breakfast station. Bake bread, fry eggs, or cook noodles and steam dishes, all at the same time. The electric oven and non-stick frying pan handle everything from pancakes to sausages, while the mini cooking pot prevents burning and keeps food perfect. Simple knobs let you choose cooking, baking, or frying with ease. Compact, easy to clean, and versatile, it's your morning made effortless. Bring the calm of a rainy day indoors. This mushroom-shaped humidifier not only adds moisture to the air, but also plays soothing rain sounds to help you relax or sleep. Choose from 7 light colors or a gentle breathing mode to set the perfect mood. A remote control lets you adjust mist, light, and timer settings without leaving your spot. Compact and peaceful, it's perfect for bedrooms, desks, or anywhere you need a little calm. Show off your favorite corners in style. These wireless LED spotlights deliver warm, cozy light with a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 75 hours on high. Magnetic mounts make installation effortless on walls, ceilings, or any smooth surface, while a remote lets you control brightness and set timers from across the room. The spotlight heads rotate 270 degrees and tilt 90 degrees for precise lighting exactly where you want it. Perfect for plants, artwork, or any display you want to highlight beautifully. Make floor cleaning almost effortless with this cordless spin mop. Dual spinning pads scrub away dirt and stains while reaching every corner. An LED headlight lights up dark spots, and the built-in water sprayer keeps surfaces fresh and clean. Adjustable height and a long-lasting battery make it easy to tackle any room. Lightweight and self-propelled, it cleans fast so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time relaxing. Meet the future of city travel. This is a compact 3-wheeled vehicle designed to save space and glide through crowded streets. Its dome-shaped cabin gives 2 passengers a full 360-degree view while riding in comfort. Sensors and autonomous technology handle driving, monitor battery, and adapt to the road, keeping your ride smooth. Eco-friendly and innovative, it's a peek at how urban transportation could change forever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.